This was like a person going through a metal book. What is this? Granular, oscillator, add an arpeggiator. Grain delay, roar.
I'm about to start a website called lamerliquor.com. Put you on that front page like what the fuck you want. It's this big bruiser, we like your coach, and this ain't what you used to.
Let's make experimental hip-hop. I've been listening to this new Danny Brown album and I really like it. So I just wanted to make a quick track inspired by that album, but not exclusively. It's also inspired by JPEGMAFIA and Scaring the House, maybe like a combination. The point is, the song doesn't sound crazy, but I did try to throw a bunch of concepts in there, like sound design tips, creative tips, arrangement tips, a bunch of new information for you, hopefully, that can inspire you to try some of these ideas. Let's jump into Ableton. For the final version, I do have Danny a cappella, so we can listen to the beat in context. For now, I'm gonna turn it off. We're going to listen to it at the end, timestamp, full song. I'm gonna break down the project by parts, starting with part 1. Classic lazy intro, just to have something before the drop. The only synthesized sounds that I used, I made them myself in Serum 2. This is the bass sound without any processing after Serum. It does have some effects here, some distortion and compression. Sine wave, sawtooth wave with some unison. And then this is a pitch envelope. This is mapped to both courses. And then we have this weird noise. At the moment, this sounds super weird, but after this, we're going to filter some of these high frequencies, not on Serum, but on Ableton. So it's not going to be as bad. Then we have distortion on the lows, and then a compressor. After this, we go to Ableton, overdrive, filter. This is a roar preset called Circuit Bent Toy. Vintage sampler from Redux, and these are all compressors that have sidechain for the kick and the snare. And this is a synth that I made as well. Square wave with this envelope mapped to the wavetable position. And you get different movements. Another one. Another one. Filter with a weird shape that I've made here. The same envelope. Compressor, convolve, phaser, distortion, flanger. That might be too much reverb. Yeah, then some EQ and a limiter. Okay, now we have some drums. There are no perfect samples for this, you just need to find whatever you like. Bunch of kicks to try, claps, very aggressive. Couple snares, couple perks. For the pattern, we have this. Super simple, not even really long, it just works. My headphones broke the other day. Maybe it's a good time to activate my return channels. Some drums here. This is the room. It's a plugin from Baby Audio, but you can use any short reverb. And then we have a more drastic distortion for the drums. This is just Camel Crusher, compression, EQ, delay. We have like these sounds that comes at the beginning. Drums. Recently, when I find myself doom scrolling, whenever I hear something peculiar like an animal or someone hitting something or whatever, I try to download it, save it to use. So I have a bunch of random noises, and this was like a person going through a metal book really hard. Just really cool noises. 11 semitones and then all of this, some EQ and delay basically. And from that whole thing, I just took these 2 hits. Then we got this amazing loop. What is this? This might take me a little while to explain, so I'm gonna try to make it brief, but it is the most interesting part of this whole thing. I started in Serum, Granular, Oscillator, throw a drum break there, right click, slice auto. So you're gonna draw a bunch of notes on top of each other and then add an arpeggiator 116 to get this movement. Depending on the sample that you throw here and also the combination of these parameters, you're going to get completely different things. Just try. But after this, I started to do a bunch of processing. And this is basically vocoder modulator. We are modulating this depth parameter with an LFO at a pretty high rate, completely random. With these other settings, everything like this, you can see it and copy if you want. We get a more like aquatic sound. Then some compression, grain delay, doing the metal thing. I recently made a small tutorial on that if you want to see it. Roar. Drum bass, EQ, glue compressor, and this is just sidechain and another EQ. Cool. This is a small breakdown, like a transition, just a simple snare, but double tempo. Some kicks. And we change the bass pattern to this. Synth is the same. This part just sounds really cool. These are the same notes as the breakdown, but just chopped up. We get this hi-hat loop. It sounds so bad. When I try to do bounce to new track with these drums, it tells me that it can't because compressor, and it's like, bro, I don't care, just do it anyway. So I had to record this manually by selecting here the channel, and this is basically a kick drum but in reverse with some fade in. We turned it into a riser. When you're working in arrangement and you want to exaggerate effects like this, make sure to mute everything else. So we get like that drastic cut, but it comes back really fast. This sound, this is actually another Instagram reel. I don't know if it's a trend because I've seen more than one, so maybe it's like a funny thing. But yeah, this is the original. It's like from that sped up, and with that we go to the next part. All of this you already saw. This is the bass from before, one note, really long. Drums are the same, we just have the trumpet. And the trumpet has like grain delay, compressor, EQ. And then we have like this. This is just an automation for the time from this delay, very short delay, a lot of feedback. And I just turn it on here, it's off the whole song. Again, we have like the transition part without the kicks. I grabbed this snare and I made like an automation for the dry wet. And then off. On the weird granular percussion thing with the arpeggiator, I accidentally copied and pasted the drum MIDI here, and it sounded like this. And I really like it. And then we go back. Another tip, like introduce what is going to happen here just a tiny bit before. This is from an Ariana Grande reel, but it sounds crazy with a lot of this metallic grain delay. We have just one kick, and then everything comes after this. Oh, and this synth is now an octave higher, but it's the same. Also, new percussion loop. This is from myself. I made like a percussion loop session to make a bunch of things and save them to use later. This is just one of them. But this goes really well with the granular percussion. Here the trumpet comes back. I wanted the trumpet to make a final appearance. It is a lot when the trumpet and the synth and the bass, everything is together. In regards to the drums, we are doing double tempo here. Nothing crazy, just... And I think that's all. Let's listen to everything with the acapella.
Nigga soft like smoking hookah when they ain't got no hoes around. If you don't know, but now I hate your jaw like Bobby Brown. Broke it down and bring it back. Both won't get shit like GameStop. Been around the block a couple times, but still stuck in that same spot. I'm about to start a website called LamerNigga.com. Put you on that front page like what the fuck you want. It's this big bruiser, we like your coos, and this ain't what you used to. My bitch be thick like Mewtwo, on everyone phone like you too. I pull up with that duke, then start a riot like Zook Soup. My bank account no choo-choo. I look around like oh you. I'm in the booth like flamethrower. I'm old school like Tango, but stay on that new shit, so wear it like that shoe fit. Ain't no sunshine like Anderson. I do what I want, why these other niggas be pandering? So I ain't with that pampering, they tampering with the style. But I just think too free for them to ever lock me down. Dead inside. These the last days, your soul paid for everything we lost. You can't take credit, we all in there. Who won, but at what cost? Let it fall down, for come up. It's dark out when the sun's up. Start raining bullets when the gun's up. They trying to take it all from apocalypse, metropolis, and hellfire with a pot to pitch.
I hope this was helpful. If it was, you can leave a comment and let me know. If you need new samples like the ones that I use for my drums, you should visit samplefocus.com and use your free credits. You get 3 every week, but you can get more by uploading your own samples. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one.